Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Wheel of Dharma. So today we will learn how this infinite universe was created, because this is a big question of today's era, that who created us and where did we come from. Big Bang theory states that in the beginning there was nothing, no matter, no light, no space. Huge explosion takes place in singularity and our universe or matter came to existence. The circle dot is a metaphysical symbol for universe, and in that symbol the central dot is a singularity. What is Big Bang? Big Bang is all about explosion and expansion of the universe, but it does not give an answer of every question that arises in our mind, like why explosion takes place in singularity. Science has no answer for this question. In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that our galaxies is moving away from each other, and he came on conclusion which completely changes our thoughts about universe. He says our universe is expanding. I thought this was right somehow. This conclusion gave rise to beginning of new theory. This was Big Bang. I have studied lot more about black holes and their behavior, and I have learned that sun, the source of power or Shakti, will collapse one day and it will form black dwarfs or either black holes. Black holes have dense amount of gravity and it doesn't even allow light to escape from its gravity area. Time slows down near black holes. Black holes attract each and every matter which came under the area of its gravity pull. This process creates one single point at its center, which called as singularity. So in singularity all matter get gathered at one point. This whole discussion gives us an important phenomenon, and this phenomenon states that singularity attracts matter, even time get dissolved in its gravity pull. I think our universe is continuously expanding and contracting like our eye, because the circle dot is also a symbol for the eye. So, how this universe and whole world began? Singularity attracts everything. It dissolves even time, and when it engulfed time, a huge explosion takes place, and that was the beginning of new universe, because time is cyclic. When one universe get destroyed, another universe get created simultaneously. So this is a never-ending chakra. It is wheel of energy rotation. In this wheel, energy neither get created nor get destroyed. It only changes forms, and without change in energy, it travels from one place to another place. It travels from one dimension to another dimension. So when energy or power came in contact with time, then it creates a loop, and thus it engulfs time. After that huge explosion takes place in energy or singularity release matter, light and time. This is known as Big Bang. When Edwin Hubble observed that our galaxies moving away from each other, he called it the impact of Big Bang, but he never correlated it with the first law of thermodynamics. Even Albert Einstein doesn't give an proper answer to this question, but Hindu Vedas gives somewhat appropriate answer related to my research some thousands of years ago. So Shakti Puran says Adi Para Shakti dissolves everything, which also include time. So this is the answer to a very big question, that in those universes which are immortal, there is never a Big Bang, but in those universes which are mortal, creation and destruction keep happening all the time, meaning that the Big Bang theory is related to our mortal world. The world in which we live is called Kal Lok, and this Kal Lok is spread across 21 universes. However, this Kal Lok is expelled from Satlok, which is 4,800 quadrillion km away from here.